Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. Draw an outline like this. Do you have any doubts about border designs and sketches? Follow me in Instagram. Message me in Instagram. Instagram link will be given in description. Draw an outline like this. Here I am drawing small leaf shapes. This is green color sketch pen. Draw a small lines like this. Same repeat here. Same repeat here. This is light blue color sketch pen. Fill the flower with light blue color sketch pen. I am using light blue color sketch pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. This is blue color brush pen. I am using blue color sketch pen for this flower. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am using blue color sketch pen. Flower filling was completed. Fill like this. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Here I am using yellow color sketch pen. Fill this flower with yellow color sketch pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. This is green color brush pen. Fill the leaves with green color brush pen. This is thick green color. Now I am using light blue color oil pastel. This is yellow color oil pastel. Here I am using blue color oil pastel. Here I am using tissue paper for rubbing this flower. Same repeat here. Again repeat here. Here I am using black color sketch pen for these lines. Here I am drawing off circle design. Fill the full frame with this design. Draw a small lines like this. Repeat the full frame. Put a rounds like this. Same repeat here. Here I am using light blue color oil pastel. Draw a outline like this. Filling was completed. I am using tissue paper for rubbing this. Thank you so much for watching.
Border
Support me
design is
as liking,
completed.
sharing, commenting and subscribing.